Eddie Adams once said, all the dreamers in all the world are dizzy in the noodle. So today, I'm going to contribute my part to the same dreamers with a recipe of pan-fried noodles. Let's start with heating a wok. Into the wok, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I've taken around 200 grams of noodles and boiled it. Also, I've applied around 1 teaspoon of oil onto it. Let's add this into the wok. Separate them out a bit. Let it cook in the wok for 2 minutes till it becomes nice and crispy from the bottom. 2 minutes are up. Let's check on the noodles. If you can see a slightly brown surface and some crispy noodles at the bottom, that means it's done. Just separate it out from the wok. In the same way, I'm going to cook it for another 2 minutes on the other side. Let it become a little crispy. It's nice and crispy on the other side as well. Let's get it out in the serving plate. Let's keep the noodles aside and quickly stir fry the vegetables. Into the same wok, I'm going to heat up a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's quickly add all the aromatics. I have 2 tablespoons of ginger finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of celery finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. Give this a mix. Into this, let's add 1 shredded onion, 2 green chilies finely chopped, let's quickly add the vegetables in the order of the time that it's going to take to cook. So first goes in cross-cut French beans, half a capsicum cross-cut, half a red capsicum cross-cut, next add in a lot of other vegetables, half a cup of broccoli florets, 6 mushrooms sliced, 1 small carrot shredded, 2 baby corns cross-cut, half a cup of bean sprouts, lot of vegetables. The colors look awesome. To add to these colors, I'm going to add half a cup of edamames that are boiled in salted water for 5 minutes. Also a little bit of coriander leaves. Let's quickly add all the sauces. I have 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, and give this a good mix. The vegetables are nicely cooked and now I'm going to make a slurry with water and corn flour. Take around 1 cup of water. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour or corn starch. Give this a good mix. Let's add this slurry to the vegetables. Bring it to a boil. Into this, in the end, I'm going to add some salt and some spring onions. And the veggies for the noodles are ready. Let's plate them. Garnish it with a little bit of spring onions. And your pan-fried noodles are ready to dig in. If you're bored of the same old boiled Hakka noodles, you can pan-fry them and add a little bit of crispiness. The change in the texture makes a hell lot of a difference. So do try this at home, comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon with another exciting recipe. Bye-bye.